Hi friends, this is Pyramid class and I am your math instructor Mamta Mode. Today I am going to discuss the topic linear equations in two variables. An equation which is linear means having a degree 1 but having with how many variable? Correct, 2 variable. So an equation in two variable having a degree or the highest power of each term containing the variable is 1 is called a linear equation in two variable. What will be the general form? Okay, let's see the standard or the general form of the linear equation. A general form is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where x and y are the variable of this equation and a and b and c are the numbers, or we can also say a and b are non-zero numerical coefficient of the equation. Okay, the value of the variables, that is the value of x and y, is known as the solution of this equation, or the value of x and y when we substitute in this equation we will get 0 will be the solution of these linear equations. Okay, now let us see further more things. Simultaneous linear equation means one by one you are getting a linear equation. So the two or more linear equation, the group of linear equation means which is maybe 2 or more than 2, and having variables 2 or more than 2 variables are known as simultaneous linear equations. Okay, as I told you, solution of any linear equation is the value of the variable which when substitute in the equation will give you the right hand side, that is 0. So there are some method. The method are as follow. The first method is known as elimination method. The second method is known as substitution method, and the third method is known as graphical method, and the fourth method is known as Cramer's rule or Cramer's method. Yeah. So let us see the method one by one. First I am taking an example and step by step I am explaining you the solution. Consider we have given two linear equation, x plus 7y is equals to 10 and 3x plus 2y minus 2y is equals to 7. Here x and y are the variable and the numerical coefficient of x here is 1, y here is 7 and the constant term is 10. And here the numerical coefficient of x is 3, y is minus 2 and the constant term is 7. First I am giving the equation, this equation as number 1 and this equation as number 2. What will be the first step? The first step says multiply the corresponding numerical coefficient of one variable. Suppose I am considering here the variable x. What is the numerical coefficient of the variable x in equation 1? As here we can see there is nothing, so we can consider it as 1. And what is the numerical coefficient here? Here the numerical coefficient is 3. So I am going to multiply the equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. So multiply equation 1 by 3 and number 2 by 1. So what I am going to get? If I am going to multiply 3 in this equation, I am going to have 3 into x will be 3x, plus will be plus, 7 into 3 will be 21 and y will be y, equal to will be equal to, and 10 into 3 will be 30. Now what is the second step I am doing? I am multiplying equation number 2 by 1. If I am going to multiply anything by 1, we will get the same thing. So I am getting 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. What is my second step says? Yes, add or subtract the equation to eliminate one variable. As I can see here, the variable or x having numerical coefficients equal and they are of same sign. That's why I am applying here minus sign. If they are of opposite sign, then I am going to put here plus sign. So what I should get? If I am putting here minus 3x will be cancel out and we am getting 0. This minus will come to this minus 2 and it will become minus and minus plus 2. So 21 plus 2y will be 23 y, and 30 minus 7, this minus will come to 7 and it will say 30 minus 7, that will be 23. So I am getting 23y is equals to 23. Now what will the third step says? Find the value of one variable. So I am here the equation is converted into one variable. Now I am going to calculate the value of that one variable, that is the variable y. How I can calculate the value of y? By sending this number 23 from left to right. As I know that the y here is in multiplication and I am sending it to the right hand side, so it will be going to change into division. So the value of y will be 23 divided by 23 is 1. So I get the value of the one variable, that is the variable y. What is my fourth step says? Find the value of other variable using the given equations. I have given the equation number 1 and 2. I can use any one of them and put this y in these equations. So I am taking the equation number 1, x here is x, I am putting plus here is plus, 7 here is 7, and the value of y here is 1. So I am putting y is equals to 1 here and is equals to 10 as it is. Now the equation will become x plus 7 is equals to 10, and I am shifting this plus 7 from left hand side to right hand side, as we know that if we are going to shift any numbers from left to right or right to left, its operation will become inverse. So it will become minus 7. So what I get? X equals to 10 minus 7, that will be equals to 3. Hence x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 7. This is the method which is known as elimination method. So in this way we can solve this equation, linear equation in two variable by the elimination method. Thank you for watching my video. Please please subscribe my channel so that you can be continue with the further video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you for watching.